In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your first Printify product listing. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. Printify is a fantastic platform for print-on-demand services, and it's a great way to start your own online business without the hassle of keeping inventory. So let's get started with the process of creating your very first product listing. First things first, if you haven't already, you'll need to sign up for an account on Printify. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the main dashboard. Here's where all the magic begins. Depending on what you're selling, you want to choose a product that aligns with your brand. Printify offers a variety of products, from t-shirts to mugs and everything in between. To start, navigate to the Catalog section found in the left sidebar. Take a moment to browse through the products. You can filter them by categories like apparel, home and living, or accessories. For today's example, let's say you want to create a custom t-shirt. So go ahead and click on the apparel category. Once you've found a t-shirt you like, click on it to view more details. This is important as you want to familiarize yourself with the options available. On this page, you'll see various attributes like color choices, sizes, and information about the print provider, which is essential as it affects your shipping times and pricing. Feeling good about your selection? Great! Click the Start Designing button to move to the design step. This is where you can really bring your product to life. You will see the design interface open up, which consists of a few key areas. On the left side, you'll find different design tools, and on the right, you'll see a preview of your product. First, let's add some graphics or text. Check out the Add Image button. This is where you upload your design files. If you already have an image ready, click Upload and select the file from your computer. Remember to use high-quality images to ensure the best print results. If you want to add text to your design, you'll find the Text tool in the design interface. Click on it, and a new area will pop up allowing you to input your desired text. You can adjust the font, size, color, and positioning until it looks just right. Don't rush through this step. Take your time to create something unique that represents your brand. Once you're satisfied with your design, it's important to check how it appears on the t-shirt. Click and drag to adjust its size and placement directly on the preview. When you feel everything looks perfect, you can save your design. There's usually a Save Product button located in the top right corner, so go ahead and click that. Now that your product design is saved, it's time to move to the listing details. You should be redirected to a new page where you can enter important information about your product. Start with the product title. Make it catchy, but also descriptive. This helps potential customers understand what you're selling at a glance. Next, fill out the description. This part is crucial for marketing your product. Be sure to mention the design inspiration, the material of the shirt, its features, and any other details that might entice buyers. Remember, the more informative and engaging your description, the better chance you'll have at making sales. After filling out your product details, you can set your pricing. Printify gives you a base price for each product, and you can decide how much to mark it up. I always recommend considering your target market while pricing. Set a price that reflects the quality of your design but also fits within competitive standards. Finally, review all the information you've entered. Ensure that everything looks correct. You definitely don't want to launch a product with typos or incorrect sizes. Once you are ready, hit the Publish button. Your new product is now live. And that's it. You've just created your first product listing on Printify. With your product now available, remember to promote it through your social media channels, your online shop, or however you plan to reach your customers. Thanks for joining me in today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video for more tips on how to enhance your print-on-demand business.